Good morning, everybody. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So, my name is Muskan, and I am the student and learner of the SP and JM Bora Degree College, Shorapur. My major subjects are zoology and botany, and I'm studying in BSc third sem. Now, I'm going to discuss about the zoology topic, genetic code. Here, genetic code is nothing but the combination of three nucleotide sequence on DNA. They are triplet and they composed by the four nucleotides. Example, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Here, the scientist George Gamow, who came up with the genetic code. There are four nitrogenous bases give rise to 20 amino acids. He gave an idea by the permutation and the combination. Next, his idea was very supported by more three scientists, namely Dr. Hargovind Khurana, Marshall Nirenberg, and Severo Okhov. Those three scientists proved that there are 64 codons and 20 amino acids. Next, what is codon means? Here, codon is nothing but the combination of three nucleotide sequence on mRNA. Anticodon is nothing but the combination of three nucleotide sequence on tRNA. Here, starting codon and stopping codon. Starting codon is nothing but the present at the starting of the gene. Here only one starting codon is there. Example, AUG is the starting codon. Next, stopping codon. Stopping codon is nothing but the present at the end of the gene. There are three stopping codons, namely UAA, UGA, and UAG. Those three are stopping codons. Next, 60 remaining codons code for the amino acid. Here there are some silent features of codons. First of all, they are triplet and 61 codons code for the amino acids, and remaining 3 codons do not code for any amino acids. Hence, their function as the stop codons. Next silent feature is the some amino acids code for the coded by the more than one codon. Hence, the code is degenerated. When amino acid code for more than one codon, so then it function as the degenerate. It totally became degenerate. Next, it is the universal code. Means from bacteria to human beings, the codon is present UUU, and amino acid is the phenylalanine is present in the bacteria and human beings is same. Some exception from this rule, in mitochondria and protozoan there are different types of codons. Next, AUG is the dual function. Dual is nothing but the in physics and chemistry dual means double, but in zoology dual is nothing but the starting. It is the starting codon, hence it known as the starting codon. Next, UAA, UGA, and UGA is the stopping codon, is known as the terminator codons. Hence, here is the topic is end. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce and tell about something. Thank you.